10 years ago, Formlabs started with a simple mission: bring high-resolution 3D printing to the desktop. Today, our best-selling 3D printers are essential tools for engineers, designers, manufacturers, and healthcare professionals around the world. But we're always asking, how can we go further in our mission? That's why we're excited to announce our next dimension in desktop printing. Introducing the Form 2D, a professional printer that puts our decade of innovation onto paper. Formlabs 3D printers feature some of the fastest and easiest material switching in the industry. On the Form 2D, we made replacing toner just as intuitive. Our 3D print preparation software, Preform, intuitively takes models from digital to physical. Now, you can take your documents from digital to physical just as easily. Lasers have always been a critical component of our 3D printers. On the Form 2D, we use this technology to make sure every print can be one you're proud to deliver.
Our mission is to make digital fabrication easier to use, simpler. We've come to the conclusion that almost all the complexity comes from one thing, and that's the third dimension. If we can remove that, we can revolutionize 3D printing.
At Formlabs, our goal is to expand access to digital fabrication so anyone can make anything. With the Form 2D, our mission expands to an entirely new medium.